So hope you are good. In this quick tutorial I'll show you how to post Instagram story from your computer. So if you go to your create, then you can see this is the new post option, not a story. If you go to your profile, and then you can don't able to find any story option, tag, save, reels, post. So to do it, you have to click on your mouse right button and go to inspect, and from here you need to select this icon. That's mean you need to go your mobile version. This is the current PC version, you need to go mobile version, and then you can choose your dimension and reload your browser. I am reloading my browser. So once done, then you can see your story and you can upload. Sometime this feature like that you can set it anywhere. So I am adding my story now. Press on story and select any kind of image. Suppose I am selecting this image and add to story, and it's uploading. So your photo was added, and now you can check. So your story is updated. So this is how you can easily upload story from your PC on your Instagram. So hope video helpful. Please thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day. Thank you.